Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you a demonstration on how to customize a unit from start to finish. Let's get straight to it. So I will be using some Clairol professional BW2 powder with some 30 volume developer from Superstar. I will apply maybe a cupful of the powder along with maybe an ounce of the developer because I wanted to keep it in a thick texture. So after that, I mix it together and I will begin applying this to the closure. So I have a 5x5 from B.IDOL extension that I will be using. You can go to my website and you can purchase hair or my frontals there. I will put my website up in the description below. So here I'm applying the the bleach to the back of the knots. This is how you customize your knots. You want to do, I'm using a stick, one of those lollipop sticks, because I don't want it to seep through the lace. So I'm evenly applying it on the back of the lace. So after evenly applying it to the back of the lace, I will let the the bleaching cream sit on the lace for maybe 10 to 15 minutes sometimes, depending on the person's skin tone. After letting it sit, I will get some ISOPLUS neutralizer shampoo conditioner. I will rinse it off first with some lukewarm water. Then I will apply the neutralizer shampoo conditioner. Leave it on there for a good 5 minutes or so to stop the process of the bleach. And then I will proceed to wash this off and apply a little conditioner. So here I have a canvas head size 22.5 measurement. So I will put that in the description below as well. I'm taking 2 T-pins and I'm placing the closure where it needs to be placed on the dome cap. This is the dome cap. You can probably purchase this at the nearest local beauty supply store. This is a size extra large. So I'm going to take and sew this down with my hands all the way around, kind of pulling it towards the back so that the closure can stay in place properly. So I just use a little tension and just thread and pull it towards the back. And I kind of repeat this same method all the way around to the opposite side. Here I will show you how to correctly place your track. So this would be considered correct track placement. So I'm going to line the lines where I want to place my tracks throughout the dome cap. I'm going to mark it out with some white chalk. And I'm just going to kind of do this throughout the whole cap where I want to place my tracks. So just iron it out to get an idea of where all of the tracks will be placed throughout the dome cap. I know I'm a little slick bit, they're a little off, but hey. Just trying to make it easier for you guys because I can kind of do this. I can kind of eye it without having to mark it with a chart. So here it is. I put it on the sewing machine and I just get the tracks, place it where the first line is, and I get to sewing. Do this all the way throughout. Just keep repeating the same method. Some people use different sewing machines. You know, I use the certain one that I was taught. Here we go. So I just completed constructing the whole unit. Now I'm going to be adding elastic band to it to give the unit a little more support. So let's get straight to it. We're going to start plucking and customizing the hairline. I'm just going to be sectioning off behind the hairline, plucking the hairline out to make it look more realistic. Plucking the closure out to making it look more realistic. So I'm just doing this throughout the closure to thinning it out so it won't be so bulky. Here it is. I'm going to start cutting the bob. I decided to do a bob. I like to cut the hair wet because you can get more definition into the hair, and then you can always go back and clean it up once the hair is dry. Here it is. So now that the bob is cut, I'm going to use a little Sebastian hairspray to just give it a little mist. I use the body wave texture mostly. That's mostly what I use when I'm using texture hair. So I'm just going to press the hair with my Babyliss flat irons, and I will put those in the description as well. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Barbie_idol or my hair page B.IDOLGLAM. You can also follow me on Facebook, Barbie Idol, and Snapchat, Barbie Idol, all together. Thanks. Until next time.